Yeah, so we've had a nice couple of days in Sami port on Kefalonia Island. We've managed to get the provisions done, fill up with water, do some washing, etc. So a nice couple of days. And now we're going to move on over to Ithaca and find a nice bay where we can chill out for a couple of days. So follow along.
We're tabbing to the caves today. It's a bit far. Been walking a mile already. Exhausted, as you can see.
Mussolini Cave.
You can see it in the dark.
Yeah, you can see. Look at that.
Filming you
Yeah, I know.
on a whistle trip tour of all 2 seconds. Look at that. Only playing with you. I bought it from the shop, really. We're having an ice cream because it was so hot here today. Sat in Sami port. Theo's had a walk. Went and bought a pair of new shoes because I lost a pair. Is it nice, Captain?
Yeah, it's nice stuff.
I don't know if you can see that, but that is the moon coming over the mountain.
So we left the port of Sami, set course for Ithaca, where we wanted to go and explore some of the luxury, exclusive and pristine little bays along their coast. What you say?
You're not
Fucking
funny.
Borosaurus.
After missing out on a night's sleep, I woke up to this view in the morning as the sun came up, which sort of made up for all the noise that I put up with all night.
How far?
Oh no, it's not a race, sorry, I didn't understand.
Oh right.
They've done 3k this morning and then we'll go to lunch and then in the afternoon they'll do 2.
Oh right, what?
So 5k a day.
Oh right, training camp is it?
Yeah, kind of.
Oh nice.
Your boat's lovely.
Thank you.
Morning tree and then we'll have a rest back. Remember yesterday we had to do this on days. And you've had so much fun. We've got to limit your fun, Deadlift, you know. I don't want you to turn yourself too much. And then the yellow.
Leo enjoyed having the beach to herself exclusively.
So this is Gidaki Beach, a tourist hotspot on Ithaca Island. Lots of day trippers etc. come here because of the crystal clear waters, and to be honest, it is the clearest we've witnessed on the whole trip around Ithaca.
Cleo's confidence, it just grows daily. Now she's right at the tip of the board. I was amazed to see her do this.
The water was that clear you could easily see the fish swimming around the boat. Here we're passing Ionian Bay, and at the end of the bay is a small fisherman's village. So we had to leave that beautiful anchorage of Gidaki Beach this morning to get out of the way of the rolly seas, so we came up the east coast of Ithaca and we've come into another bay which is now absolute pristine, as you can see behind me. Such a beautiful little anchorage. We would like to stay here for a couple of days but we can't, because what we need to do tomorrow is move back up to Lefkada to Vlycho Bay, because guess what, the generator PCB board is back from Athens finally after all these weeks of waiting. So we'll go back there and hopefully it'll be fitted on Friday. So wish us luck, because once we get the generator we don't need to be hunting tavernas down for free electricity.
Yippee!
The famous pork chop barbie is on the go. Good morning everyone, we've had to leave the anchorage we were in last night. The sea state has changed, winds slightly shifted, so we're now bomb burst out of there to come across the sea. As you can see, sea state's a bit rough, probably, you know, what are they, about half a metre to a metre swell. Short intervals, rocking the boat all over the place, which is a bit uncomfortable. Currently got the head sail up in what we've got 10 knots of apparent wind, and we're doing 3.4 knots of speed over the ground. So we're going to make our way into Meganissi Strait and then get ourselves into Vlycho Bay, because the generator part, that's where it'll be hopefully fitted tomorrow, and get the generator working.
And as you can see the swell. Stick my head out to show you the sails, but I'm not going to walk up the deck today because it's just too rough.
So welcome to Vlycho Bay. We got here, got the anchor down in the high winds, and there's been some gusts coming through the bay. But since we've got here, we've managed to get the dinghy off the boat. We've gone and provisioned the boat for the next few days with some fresh meats, etc. And then I've contacted the guys, so they'll be here at 11 o'clock tomorrow to have a look at the generator and fit the new PCB. So fingers crossed all that will go well. And tonight on the barbie, we have some fresh lamb from the butchers, which is one of our favourites. As you see, lamb chops, lamb bits, a couple of sausages that they're for tomorrow lunch. Don't think we're being greedy. Yeah, that grill is gleaming. Thank you.
Anyways, I want to thank everyone for watching the Gidaki Beach. And if you can, please subscribe.
Give us a like and send us a comment.
A good night from Vlycho Bay.